Hey guys, hope you are doing well. My name is Mohammad Danish and we are back with another weekly analysis. And in this week we are going to cover same pair gold and US30 and also try to discuss what we predicted last week and how the market behaved and also cover the forecast. So let's dive into the charts and see what we predicted last week and how the market behaved. Here we have the same chart what we used for the last week analysis, same H4 time frame. So we predicted this was a range where market is currently stuck between 2558 to all the way 2570. So we need to wait for market break in either way, whether bearish or bullish. But we insisted, I am more anticipated like market can break in the higher side and we can look for buy. So market break in the higher side and all the way bullish. So personally, me and our community, we take a couple of trades in the last week. Let me move to the H1 time frame and show me like where we took a trade. So our first trade was a scalping kind of a trade. So we took a first trade here around 26.32.31 and we take almost 50-60 pips here and market go all the way up, and then after that market drop. And then personally I take the second trade and only one trade in the week because I was traveling this week to Dubai all the way to attend FX Summit. So my trade was 26.32 here in this candle, and then my second entry was around this candle 26.34. So these are the two entries which I take, and I hold this trade for almost a week and I close this trade all the way up to 26 near to 90 here. So I catch almost 500 pips in this trade. And then the third trade we have taken along with the community is I have shared with the community as well. We have taken a trade around 27.06 and I've shared complete detail with the community as well. And we took a sell here on this candle and our target was all the way down and we catch almost 100 pips here as well. So these two trades I have taken in the last week in the gold, because gold was pretty much bullish and we anticipate the bullish movement as well. So that was a great week in terms of trading, and hopefully communities enjoy as well. So this is all we have in terms of last week. So let's cover the forecast for the next week. So here we have the gold daily time frame. So overall the gold is very much bullish and we anticipate the same move in the last week. Like we discussed, like price is all the way bearish and prices hit 2560 level, and we anticipate like price should respect this level because it was a very strong zone and price respected this level and all the way bullish, and it does because the move was very clean when it was bearish all the way dropped. So when it respected the zone, so there was no hurdle in the left side, there was a clean traffic and price go all the way up. So now price is heading towards the very critical zone. Here we have in the top side, and also we have this zone in the upside as well. So price is enter almost a sell zone now, but this is not a kind of zone where we can look for not a buy position definitely, because if we need to look for the buy position we need to wait for the price to come down and we need to follow the price action in the lower time frame, and then we can look for buy option. So let's move to the lower time frame H4. So here we have the lower time frame H4. So let me draw some zones here and let's see where we can look for entries. So in the high side we have this zone where price is heading, and then further high side we have this critical zone here. The zone is quite big, but let's squeeze it down to this zone, 50 pip zone. Like we need to anticipate like price will come to this zone as well if go bullish, and then we have this area as well. So now what we can look for the next week. So obviously price is bullish and we definitely look for the buy position, but where we can look for the buy position. And further down we have this zone as well where price was stuck in the last week. Yeah, this was the zone as well. So these are the key areas in the next week where we can look for some sort of trades. So personally I want to see price should go bullish, and if price shows some rejection here in this area like 27, 22, 24, then we can look for, as a day trading we can look for the sell option, and our target can be like 100 plus pips here. This could be the very much possible on the card. And if later on price come down further and test this zone here as well, 26.92, then this would be the very good buy zone as well, and we can look for buy position here. So on the other side, let's suppose price does not reject this zone, that was very less likely. So if price does not respect this zone and go bullish, so then we can look for buy position on the break and then target this zone, and then this would be our sell zone as well. We can look for solid sell option around 27.50 to 52. Even once price come to 45 zone, we can enter as a partial entries. So these are the sell zone in the top side, and for the buy zone, these are the buy zone, 26.70. If price come down further, got a rejection, then this could be the good buy zone as well, and we can anticipate like market go all the way bullish, and here as well. So these are the expectation for the next week. So our buy zones would be 26.94, 95. If price break this zone, then in the downside we can look for buy option from 26.65 to 70 zone in between this. If price break the zone in the high side like 27.22, then we can look for buy position. But personally, as per my experience, I would say in the first attempt, once price hit this zone, it would be a rejection, and then we can look for sell zone at a day-to-day based trade, and we can easily get 100 plus pips here. And further, if price break in the high side, then this would be the good sell area, 27.45 to 46. So this is all we have in terms of gold. Let's move to the next pair, which is US30. So here we have the US30 chart, H4. So US30 is same all the way bullish, it almost near the all-time high. So as of now, US30 is heading to the strong all-time high zone, and in the further top side, this is the area. So personally, I would not look for any sort of buy position here, because this is a very critical area, and it is common sense, like if we need to look for buy position, we need to buy at the bottom. So now price is heading towards the top all-time high, so we need to look for the sell position if price give us any sort of rejection. But on the other side, if we need to look for the buy position, I want to see price go bullish and break this all-time high zone with the good bullish candle, and then on a retest we can look for buy position, and then we can target 45,000 as well. But on the other side, normally on Monday or Tuesday, price normally give us a rejection and retrace down, and if price retrace down, so I would say 44,000, this area can be a good area to look for buy position. And in the further downside, this could be the good key area as well, where we can look for the buy position. Like first option is this, where we can look for buy position, and in the second attempt, if price come down here, then we can look for the buy position and target in the high side. And for US30, it is not the big deal to come down and retrace down like 400-500 points. It is normal for the US30. So yeah, this is all we have in terms of last week analysis and also forecast for both the pairs. Hopefully you enjoy our weekly analysis. Also, we have the Discord community where I mostly be there during NY session and share my all day-to-day based trade, and there is no premium subscription, no score selling, no paid signals. Everything is free for everyone, so you can join there and catch my day-to-day based trade as well. So yeah, this is all we have for today. Have a great weekend. Thank you.